Okay, homework for session 7.4, question number 2. So for this question, it is given the little sample size, little n, sample standard deviation and the confidence level, 90%. They want to ask what is the chi-square left, chi-square right, degree of freedom, and the confidence interval. So what it using is this on page 11 notes, using this confidence interval shown here. And first, what is chi-square left and chi-square right? This plot might give you an idea. Sorry that I cannot draw the picture myself, so I have to use this one. So suppose this is a chi-square distribution, and in the middle, this area should be 1 minus alpha, which is 90%. So for the two tails, left tail and the right tail, each one will have the area of half of alpha. In this case, alpha is 0.1, so this left area is 0.05 and this right area is also 0.05. This corresponding boundary will be chi-square left and chi-square right. Okay? And then we will use that and the confidence interval formula shown here to construct the confidence interval. Okay? So first degree of freedom, for chi-square distribution, it is n minus 1. So it's 28 minus 1, which is 27. And for the chi-square left and chi-square right, you need to check the table. So for the degree of freedom equal to 27, sorry, I cannot get it large. Okay, yes, that's better. So for the degree of freedom equal to 27, so it's this row we are interested in. And also for the column, because this column means the area to the right of the critical value. So first we need the right area to be 0.05. Also we need the right area to be 0.95 because that means the left area will be 0.05. So this, the fourth column and the seventh column, okay? So fourth column, and for the row of 27, first we have this is chi-square left, that's 16.151. And then the seventh column, 5, 6, 7, so the chi-square right will be 40.113. This is how to get those two values, okay? Then so I've shown this one and that one. The confidence interval estimate for sigma is, so we want to use this formula. N is 28, S is 0.21, and chi-square right and chi-square left, we have both of them. Okay, you can write that down on a piece of paper. That might be easier for you to plug in. So if you go to StatCrunch, you go to Data, Compute, Expression, and I already have it here. So chi-square, the left boundary would be this. Okay, square root of 28 minus 1 times 0.21, which is the sample standard deviation, square that over 40.113, which is chi-square right. Be careful that this 40.113 is already the chi-square right. So be careful not to square that, okay? So this would be the expression for the left boundary. You can compute, so it is shown here. Also, you can similarly calculate the chi-square right, the right boundary. So that will be this one here, okay? Square root of 28 minus 1 times 0.21 squared over 16.151. So this is chi-square left. So if you look at the formula, it will be this one. Okay, so this is for the right boundary. You can compute. So those two columns will be the left boundary and right boundary. So if you round to 2 decimal place, that will be from 0.17 to 0.27. Okay,